Hello students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School Jhansi. Today we will try to complete the partnership topic of class 11th, chapter 2, forms of BO of business studies. In today class we will discuss three topics of partnership. First is what is partnership deed, what are its content. Second, consequence of non-registration of partnership firm. And third is if you want to get your partnership firm registered, what will be the procedure. So starting with partnership deed. So students, partnership deed is the document containing the terms and conditions of the partnership agreement. It is a stamped, duly signed and registered on which rules and regulations, terms and conditions of partnership are registered. There are certain main contents of partnership deed which are as follows: name of the firm, name and address of the partners, nature of business, the place of business, address, offices, capital contributed by each partner, profit sharing ratio of partners, rights and duties of partners, etc. Now, what will be the consequence of getting a partnership firm non-registered? There are four consequences. First, a partner of unregistered firm cannot file a case against the partnership firm. Second, a partner of unregistered firm cannot file a case against any other partner of the unregistered firm. Third, an unregistered firm cannot file a suit against any third party or outsider for recovery of claim. Fourth, the unregistered firm cannot file a case against any of the partner. Now, if you want to get your partnership firm registered, what will be the process? A partnership firm can be registered anytime, that is at the time of formation or later on whenever partners decide to get it registered. To get the firm registered, the partners have to apply to the registrar in a prescribed forum along with the registration fees. Along with the application fees, following information must be supplied to the registrar. First, what is the name of the firm? Second, the principal place of the business of the firm, that is address of the head office, branch office, zonal office, registered office. Third, the name of any other place where firm will carrying on the business. Fourth, date of admission of partners in the firm. You have to submit a list in which date of admission of partners are mentioned. Fifth, name and permanent address of all the partners. Last, duration of the partnership. The application must be signed by all the partners. The registrar will verify the above said information, and if satisfied with the authenticity of the information, he will immediately issue a certificate of registration. The certificate of registration is an evidence of existing of firm, and firm get benefit of a registered firm. After registration, if any changes are made in the information submitted with the registrar, then the same changes must be communicated to the registrar. So friends, a partnership firm is formed when two or more persons enter into an agreement to form a partnership firm. This agreement can be oral or it can be written. To avoid future disputes, it is always advisable to have a written agreement. After signing the agreement, the partnership comes into existence. It is not compulsory to get the firm registered, but partners of the firm prefer to get the firm registered because a registered firm gets some benefits which unregistered firm do not get. So students, as I have told you, what is partnership deed, what are its contents, what are the consequences of getting a firm non-registered, and if you want to get the firm registered, what will be the procedure of getting it registration. Look, after getting a partnership registration, it gets some legal entity. The partnership firm which is registered can file a suit against third party or partner of the same firm. So there are many benefits of getting a partnership firm registered, and for clarification of disputes or any chores in the partner, it is advisable to get the partnership firm registered. So that's all for today classes. Thank you and have a nice day.